The number of coronavirus cases in India are steadily increasing. While the efforts are on to contain the spread on war footing, the governments are still deliberating on whether to order a complete lockdown or not. The Maharashtra government informed that it will not close down the railways, metros, or any other public transport services. However, it has appealed the citizens to avoid crowds and stay at home. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday night tweeted that he will address the nation on Thursday. As per the information shared by his Twitter handle, he will talk about issues relating to COVID-19 and the efforts to combat it. On Wednesday, Prime Minister Modi chaired a meeting reviewing all the ongoing efforts to contain the coronavirus spread. He also discussed the ways to further strengthen India's preparedness in the meeting. During this meeting, PM Modi stressed on actively engaging with individuals, local communities, and organizations in chalking out mechanisms to fight the COVID-19 menace. He also urged officials and technical experts to deliberate on the steps to be taken next. Let's move on to next news. Former Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi will be taking oath for the upper house of the parliament today. His oath-taking ceremony comes 2 days after he was nominated for Rajya Sabha by President Ramnath Kovind. He was nominated after the vacancy was created due to retirement of KTS Tulsi. His nomination to Rajya Sabha was heavily criticized by the opposition, with AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi asking whether it was a quid pro quo. Ranjan Gogoi, during his tenure as Chief Justice of India, had headed benches that delivered key cases verdict, including Ayodhya land dispute, Article 370 abrogation, Operation Kamal in Karnataka, among others. When asked about his nomination, Ranjan Gogoi in Guwahati said that he will answer the questions of media only after taking the oath. He also said that during his Rajya Sabha stint, he will work on bringing more cohesion in judiciary and executive. Let's move on to next news. The number of coronavirus cases in India rose to 166 today, even as the country imposed a near virtual lockdown, banning public gatherings, postponing CBSE's Class 10 and Class 12 board exams, and stepping up vigil at airports. The global death toll due to coronavirus has gone up to 8,810, while over 2 lakh people have been infected. Italy on Wednesday reported nearly 500 new deaths from the novel coronavirus, the highest one-day official toll of any country. Now, after 2 women tested positive for coronavirus in Mumbai metropolitan region, the total number of such cases has climbed to 47 in Maharashtra alone. That's what the data says according to the State Health Ministry. A 22-year-old woman from Mumbai who tested positive for COVID-19 has a travel history to UK, while another 49-year-old woman from Ulhasnagar has a travel history to Dubai. Let's move on to next news. A 20-year-old man from Delhi has tested positive for coronavirus in Chennai, taking Tamil Nadu's tally to 2. The case of this man from with travel history to Delhi and no overseas travel has raised concern of community transmission of the disease. He is now being treated in Chennai. Health Minister Dr. Vijay Bhaskar said that the patient is stable. Authorities, however, are not calling the case one of the community transmission yet. Tamil Nadu's first coronavirus case, a 45-year-old man who had returned from Oman, has been discharged after he tested negative twice following treatment. Let's move on to last news of the day. Reliance Group Chairman Anil Ambani appeared before the Enforcement Directorate in Mumbai this morning in connection with a money laundering probe into crisis-hit Yes Bank. The Central Probe Agency had issued summons earlier this week, but Ambani had asked for some time, citing his health concerns. Accepting his request, the probe agency had told him to appear before it by 11 a.m. today. He will be questioned in connection with the loans given by Yes Bank, on which the Reserve Bank of India imposed a moratorium and capped withdrawal by users at Rs 50,000 a month after the bank's financial health severely deteriorated.